Senator is determined to run for president. What are the thoughts of President Duterte on this, given that Mayor Sara will reportedly run as well in 2022?
Wala pa naman po talagang opinion ng presidente dahil maaga pa po, no? At hindi pa talaga nagdedeklara rin kahit sino na sila itatakbo para presidente. Unang-una, pinag-iisipan pa po ni presidente yung nominasyon niya as vice president at wala pa rin naman pong desisyon. Siguro, konting antay na lang po dahil darating naman ang punto na kinakailangan magdesisyon ng lahat.
Opo. And pangatlong tanong po ni MJ Villa. The floor, there is no constitutional which explicitly states that sitting presidents are barred for VP in the subsequent election. But some are saying that it might go against the spirit of the charter, since whoever is elected president can resign anytime and hand the power to the elected VP. Is there a constitutional impediment on the possible vice presidential bid of President Duterte?
Well, nagturo rin naman po tayo ng constitutional law kasamang international law sa UP ng mahigit 15 taon. At meron po tayong constitutional construction rule na what is not prohibited is allowed. Kung pinagbabawal po ang presidente na tumakbo ng VP, dapat sinulat po yan. No? Nagkaroon ng teksto sa ating saligang batas na nagpapabawal dyan. Pero since wala pong prohibition, it must be allowed.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.